Alrighty then. So, I got some pontoons for Randy, all made up. Not sure where this idea came from, but I think I'm too cheap to go buy an RC boat. So, I got some PVC pipe here, 2-inch, a cap at at either end, and I glued it. And I got some aluminum strapping that I made myself, and those just go right under Randy's plastic shell here. And I had to remove these footsteps. Anyways, I had to remove that, it got in the way. So, it's basically got 2 holes, some there, there's some there, there's a third one, I didn't do that one. And then it goes boom! And then got a nut and a bolt, boom boom. As long as I don't lose these, I'm good. And then Randy floats. So everything's waterproof apparently. It's just the battery I'm a little worried about. So I got a fishing rod, one of those extendable ones. I'm not doing any fishing. Just don't want to lose Randy in the middle of the lake in case something goes wrong. So I'm going to drive out there, and then once I get in the field, I'm going to put these on, and then I'll see how she goes. Oh my god, it's ready. Alright, sink or swim, you're going in, bud. Let's see how she goes. We got some children's. Apparently they caught turtles. And I got this fishing rod here, just in case I lose them. Just stick them in there. Alright, good luck, buddy. There's too much stuff in the way. I think it's working. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened? am fisherman. And this one's mine. That's for safety. What is this? No throttle. What the? Oh. That's not good. She's dead. Alright, that was a bit of a failure. Pontoon Blazer, Pontoon Randy, didn't quite work out. I think these pontoons were a little too heavy. It is ABS pipe, but I think it's just too heavy. And I shouldn't have used this guy. He's a little too heavy as well. As you can see, I have metal, I glued metal on the front end to make it a little more front heavy. And that's got portal axle housings that are brass axle cover. It's got wheel spacers and an extra long axle to accept the wheel spacer. It's got really large wheels, metal, really large lock nut. It's got lights installed. It's got a BEC, a heavier servo. I don't know, just all around heavy. So I don't think he's gonna work. And I got the little axial race guy in there. That doesn't make sense. So that's just my first idea. My second idea is that's right. It's another TRX4. This one is the Defender. So I'm going to call him the Foamy Defender. Got some foam all around, even on the back. I left this area open in case I want to put a trailer on there. And yeah, so this TRX4, the Defender, is a little different. First of all, there's no wheel wells. They put it in the body. That's kind of interesting. So the body's kind of heavy. I'm gonna have to take that wheel off actually, reduce the weight. But anyways, oops. Let me turn this off. Plastic portal axles, plastic cover, stock axles, no wheel spacers. It does have a heavier servo and a BEC, but that's it. Other than that, I did glue the tires so no air can get in or out. And instead of those giant pontoons, I just used styrofoam. I don't have big enough pieces, so I glued a bunch together. See, it's not fully glued yet. Some white parts. But anyways, I just screwed them into any plastic I could find. It did float in my pool with just the front and the back, but it was kind of floating pretty low. So I'm just putting these on just in case. The ground clearance isn't the greatest. Neither was his, to be honest. But hopefully these metal screws and washers will act as skid plates. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. And I got the smaller battery in there. Oh, I even hot glued the leads to the motor. And you can see these holes up here are open. There's two. But in here I put some metal tape. So when I had Randy, I don't know if you saw it, he was having issues with the water. The engine was cutting out, but I still had steering. So it fixed itself once it got dried. Hopefully I can resolve that issue. I didn't do anything about these leads, just kind of hoping it'll work. All right, let's get to it. Already fishing line. Stuck to... I just got here. This isn't even technically a lake or a pond, it's a storm runoff. There's still people fishing in here and littering. Lots of obstacles. Got the fishing line hooked up just in case Danny the Defender, Foamy Defender, decides to die on me. There we go. It's working. Keep feeding it line. Turn around. Oh, I'm not feeding it line quick enough. Alright, go in reverse. Uh-oh. I think the fish has bit at it. Or it's stuck on something. I think it's stuck on some fishing line. Good thing I got this fishing line here. Give it a pull. Yeah, it's stuck on something. There you go. Something's pulling on. Oh, look at that. All that green stuff. Uh-huh. Alright, well, this isn't the greatest place to test it. But it clearly worked before that happened. You gross. Oh, and there's fishing line in it. Okay, let's try that again. This time, full speed. That's the only issue. I bet you didn't think it would work, did you? Aha! Sure odd you are. Of course it worked. Obviously, a proper boat ramp, proper slope would have been great. None of that fishing line and that garbage, whatever that stuff is, gross. That would have been better. And just got to trim this up a bit. But anyways, at least I proved it works. So let's take them home. So, Foamy Defender defended his title. Sorry, Randy. You're garbage. You're garbage. You're so good. But Danny, Defender, Foamy Defender, you're gross. Floats. He's a floater. Just gotta make some revisions to him. Make him a little better. Chop some of this off. Chop a little bit of this area off. An angle. Do some stuff and things to him. Take him to a proper boat ramp. And then maybe make a final version. So let me know what you guys think. Foamy Defender? Or was Pontoon Randy a better idea? With the pontoons? Probably not, right? There you go, folks. Oh, I'm so happy it works. I don't know if anyone else has done this, but man, that was cool. Just to see him float and to see him able to turn around, that was awesome. I could control it. Motor never failed. It was just a complete success. Other than that crappy pond I went to and all the fishermen that screwed everything up. What a success. Great job, Foamy Defender.